So in the following lessons, we are going to talk about chapter 4, define and call functions. So in this lesson, we are going to talk about why we need to define functions. So in a real world problem, we normally, the problem is very big and difficult. So to solve a big problem, the engineer want to divide a big problem into smaller ones. And for the problems, there is many different levels of the problem, from higher to a lower. So there's a hierarchy, the hierarchy for solving the problem. So let's take a small example in our ordinary daily life. So to make a breakfast, there's like 3 big steps. So the first step is prepare materials, and the second step is cook, and the third step is wash dishes. So for preparing material, it's like I can separate this big step into several small steps. There's cut tomato and take out eggs from the refrigerator and so on. And for cook, there's some other small steps, and the same for the wash dishes. So at each level, we will like something to make it a small functions. So so for first thing, if I want to solve this big problem, breakfast, I will solve these small problems each time. So at this point, I will make the problem a little bit easier for me. And second, I will separate it to different level. So making breakfast, the first level of making breakfast is prepare materials, cook and wash dishes. And the lower level of prepare material is cut tomato and take out of refrigerator. These 3 things are in the same level, and those things are in the lower level. So when I'm writing a script, I will only write the same level in one screen to solve the problem. So that's why we want to define a function to break a big problem into small ones, and to solve the problem at each level.